Good morning, everyone. Today's topic name is changes in the family and neighbor. Can you see the picture, children? Can you see the picture? Can you see the year 1950? The father is there. Okay, father and mother is there. After that, what happened? After 20 years, 1970, what happened? The father. Okay, the father got died. Okay, then who remaining? उनके बच्चे हुए. Their child got grown up. Okay, then they got their children. उनके बच्चे होने हो गए. Okay, then again in the year में see somebody is decreasing and somebody is increasing. कोई तो जाता है, कोई तो आता है. In the family, the family does not remain same. Okay, the family does not remain same. Means this is the changes in the family. अभी father थे तो हुए, उनके बच्चे बड़े और उनके दो बच्चे और हो गए. Means this is increasing. Okay, now again see the year 9. What happened? The grandmother died away. और क्या हुआ? वो दोनों बूढ़े हो गए and this time decrease. Okay, in year 1970 it was increased. Now in 19 decreases again. It decreases again. Now see, now today means in 2020s, I am telling like that only. The father and mother became got old and उनके बच्चे के बच्चे हो गए. Now this family again increases. Sometimes this is decreasing, sometimes the family is getting increased. Means family के members बढ़ते हैं और कम हो जाते हैं, घटते हैं. This is called an increase and decrease in the family. Okay, each family each family may have a different numbers of people. Each family has a different numbers of people. Some family must be having two persons are in their family. Some are having four. Some are having six. Some are having eight. Yes, a joint family they have must be having a numbers in increased number. So many numbers are there. Okay. Now this number does not remain. Sometimes some are parents. Some are dying, some are getting birth. It may increase or decrease. It may increase or decrease. Marriage is one reason for a lot or gain. You may have seen an aunt, uh, cousin's wife joining your family. Okay, after getting married, or another auntie or cousins getting married and joining another family. The number of people in a family also changes due to the birth and death. Due to the birth and death में क्या होता है? Families members are getting changes. किसके cousins आ जाते हैं birth taking, nephews आ जाते, grandparents are coming, grandmothers are coming. Means this type of changes are done in the family. Okay, a family grows when the new generation is born. किसके घर में बच्चा होता है तो फैमिली ग्रोन अप होती है उसकी, क्योंकि उसकी शादी होने वाली रहती है. लड़का होता है तो उसकी शादी होने वाली रहती है, उसकी वाइफ आती है, फिर इज वाइफ कम्स फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड, फिर उसके बच्चे हो जाते हैं. सो इट इज कॉल्ड अ न्यू जनरेशन. इट्स कॉल्ड अ न्यू जनरेशन. When members of a family passed away, when some of the person passed away means died away, okay, due to the reason like old age, इसलिए मर गए, illness, due to of illness or accidents, some of the accidents must take place. Okay, the numbers of its member is reduced. So before, because of that, the members is reduced. The members are of that family reduces, means got less, decreases. Sometimes children in a family go to other places. Sometimes some of the children are going outside countries for staying. Then only father and mother are staying. Then that family also gets a decrease. Okay, for their education. Also, some members takes up jobs for occupation in other places. Also, they settle there in different countries. Then also the family changes. Again, the members decreases. और उनकी family के जो दूसरे जगह रहने जाते हैं. What is this, Neha Wagdare? Okay, when the person goes somewhere places their family increases and जहाँ से वो छोड़ के आते हैं उनकी family decrease होती है. Okay, moving from one place to another in order to live there is called migration. Migration means what? Coming from one place to the another place, it's called an migration. When you will go in standard fifth you will come to know what is migration. It is given in detail. Same example is given in standard fifth also. Okay, same examples are there in standard fifth EVS 1. Okay, you will go and see them. Thus, due to migration, marriage, birth, and death, the numbers of people in a family goes on changing. It is not only in our family that we see these changes. They occur in entire society. हमारे ही घर में, in our family only does not we are not seeing this that changes has been done. But in all the society, in all places, this is happening. This is happening. Okay, it is not only in our family that we see these changes. They occur in the entire society. In the entire society. Can you see these birds? This is called and what? Flamingo. These birds are called flamingos. They are coming from one place to another place to the birth of their children. Okay, वो एक दूसरी जगह से नॉर्दर्न ईस्ट से आते हैं यहाँ पे अपने इधर इंडिया में आते हैं बर्थ देने के लिए. ओके, मेनी बर्ड्स माइग्रेट इन सर्च ऑफ फूड एंड शेल्टर. फॉर द सर्च ऑफ शेल्टर, जहाँ पे उनको खाना या शेल्टर मिलते हैं वो वहाँ पे जाके बस जाते हैं. वो दिस बर्ड्स. ओके, मेनी ऑफ द बर्ड्स आर देयर लाइक दैट. ओके, have you seen a flock of swan flying in a V formation? In V formation, they are flying. Anybody has saw this? Swan. Anybody has saw they are flying in a V shape in the sky? In the V formation in the sky. Have you heard about the beautiful flamingo? Okay, about the beautiful flamingo. These are the birds called flamingos. Every year they migrate from one means they are coming. Migrate means going or coming from one place to another place. At the fixed time, they're having a fixed time. They must be knowing that now this is summer season, so we should go from this place to another place for getting the food and for the shelters and for water and all that. Okay, so they are flying from one place to the another place, means they are going migrating from one place to another at a fixed time. Some birds fly away while others do not go very far. We can see flamingos at several places in between October and March season. Now we can see the flamingo in many of the Maharashtra. Birds fly in a flock. Okay, even though they stay together in a flock, do not have families or neighbors like human beings have. Okay, they are flying from one place to another, but they don't have their friends, their families and neighbors. Why? उनको भूख लगी वो वहाँ पे जाते हैं, शेल्टर चाहिए वो वहाँ पे जाते हैं. उनका families and neighbors are not there like our humans have, beings have. When can you see these pictures of stamp, children? Look at the pictures of stamp given alongside. Which changes are depicted on this map? Stamp, can you see these maps? Stamps, children. First one was what there? Can you see? Changes has been done. Birds is there. Sometime bird is there. The telephone was there. Then bird picture was there. Then the Indian railway picture is there. Then the Kisan ka picture again stamp per. Okay. One stamp on India only, but is that the pictures has been changed due to the changes of the time changes. The pictures of the stamp also changes. When a member of the family goes far away for some reason, they are going far away for the job purposes or for some of the reason for education purpose. He stay in touch with the family through later. Okay, say contact karte, but nowadays we are touch in family with how we are touch in family nowadays. Can you tell me, children? It's given over there only. Nowadays, we want to talk with our family. Then how we are connecting with them? Come on, tell me how we are connecting with them, children? Through telephone, through internet, or through video calling and all that. Yeah, through mobiles and all that. Very good. Nowadays, we're having a video calling. Skies are there. Then something. So many types are there. Zoom is there. Something क्या कितना सारा ये FB. Yes or no? बट पहले के ज़माने में कैसे करते टच विथ थ्रू द लेटर्स. ओके, टेलीफोन कॉल्स एंड नाउ द इंटरनेट इज देयर. This modern means of communication have brought the world closer together. We can see the person in front of us. वो कितना भी दूर हो हम लोग को समझ में आता है कि मेरा सरो बच्चा है या फिर कोई मेरा हस्बैंड है या फिर they are very nice. Okay, they are kept well. From ancient time to the present, from ancient time to the present, now we are staying in a present, the nature of family has undergone many changes. Nature of family has undergone many changes. When man took up agriculture as livelihood, अगर जब मैन ने एग्रीकल्चर पर्पस खाने के लिए क्या लिया, रहने के लिए एग्रीकल्चर को चूज किया, settle down in one place. Why? Like a farmer, they are settling down in a one place. Why? Because उनकी कहाँ रहती है, उनकी farms are there in that place. So they are settling down in one place. They cannot migrate from one place to another. Who? The farmers. Why? Because उनकी क्या रहती है, वहाँ पे खेती रहती है. Their farms are there in one place. So they are staying in one place only. A lot of people are required to do the work needed in agriculture. Therefore, many relations stayed together and formed a big family. Did you saw the village गांव देखा है किसी ने? Small houses are there and so less houses are there. Not like this our big cities and all that. बड़े बड़े buildings नहीं, छोटे छोटे घर रहते हैं. Okay उनके. So why they are settling in their small houses? Because of the farming, because of the agriculture purpose they are staying. Yeah, herds are there. For this purpose they are staying there only. Okay. As the family grew, it becomes impossible to feed everyone through farming alone. Okay, on the farming they cannot give food to each and everyone. Not even education they can give to their child. Properly education they cannot give on the farming purposes. Trade and other new occupation develop. Then what they started doing, उन्होंने अपना ग्रो करना चालू किया, फार्मिंग एंड ऑल दैट. दे स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग देयर ग्रेन्स एंड स्टार्टेड ट्रेडिंग इन द मार्केट. मीन्स बेचना चालू किया. उनसे उसको क्या बोलते हैं, दे आर गेटिंग अ मनी. Then they brought that money something at home and they started giving the education to their children. Okay, these are the stories of farmer. Nowadays they are doing like that only. Okay, trade and other new occupations developed. Cities began to grow. Cities are growing day by day. Cities are growing day by day. People began to migrate to place where they could find work. Well, जहाँ पे जाने लगे जहाँ पे उनको काम मिलता है. So they are going from one place to another for in search of the job. Okay. Big families were scattered into many small families. A big family now scattered means एक अपना अपना घर देखने लगे. They are not staying in joint family. They are staying in nuclear family. Okay, they want to stay alone now for the purpose of job. अपना पेट का देखना है कि नहीं. Okay, अगर हम लोग joint family लेंगे तो क्या खाएंगे and all that. उनको खिलाएंगे कि हम लोग खाएंगे like that. A big families were scattered into many small families. In recent year, the number of people going to other states and countries for work and education. For this purpose only they are scattered. Big families scattered for the purpose of work and education only has increased greatly. Many families have one of their members living abroad or in another city in our own country. Therefore, the family system is also changed. Therefore, the family system is also changed. Just as there are changes in a family, there are changes in their neighborhood too. जैसे जैसे हम लोग अपनी फैमिली को छोड़ के दूसरी फैमिली में जाते हैं, दूसरी जगह जाते हैं, in another place, there is new neighbor is there. So the neighbor is also changes as we are changing our places. Yes, sorry, children. Okay. Do you know, children? Some people need to migrate frequently for work. For work purposes, some of the people are changing their places frequently. Means बार बार उनको change करना पड़ता है. Like that sugarcane harvester or construction workers and other like them keep moving to place where they can find work. Same like this, the workers working on both and daily wages पर daily उनको जो salary मिलती है. That person is not working in one place. That person is working in so many places. उनको जहाँ पे अच्छा पैसा मिला, daily wages they are getting, so they are going there. Same like sugarcane harvester also they are going from one place to another place. Wherever and whenever they migrate, the children are given admission in the local school. One year they are staying in one place, another year another place. So the children are getting their बोलते हैं ना लोकल स्कूल में उनको एडमिशन मिल जाता है कम पैसे में. ओके, बट दे आर गिविंग द चिल्ड्रन एन एजुकेशन ऑल्सो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम आवर फैमिली Apart from our family, we also have contact with our neighbors. If our neighbors are nice, we are in contact with them. We are calling them. We are asking them, क्या चल रहा है भाई, क्या कर रहे हो आजकल and all that. Okay, we are contact with our neighbors also. We live in the same locality. We need each other help to solve problems of garbage. We need the help of our neighbor. Why we need? If some of the person in the family, one person is staying, if he got ill at night, what we will do? We cannot go alone to the hospital. We'll call our neighbors. Please see what happened to me. Please see what happened to my child. And who helps you? A neighbor helps you to take it to the doctor and all that. So we need a neighbors also for the purpose to solve the problem of garbage, security, waters, and electricity. In time of need, it is our neighbor who help us till our relatives can reach us. Who helps us first? Our neighbor only help us first. Because our relatives are staying not nearby us, they are staying so far away. Before they reach to us, who helps us before that? Our neighbors only come in front of us to help us. वही हमको ले जा सकते हैं हॉस्पिटल में, वही हमारी हेल्प कर सकते हैं अगर कुछ आग लग गई घर के अंदर या फिर शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया घर के अंदर. Our relatives are coming late, they will come reach late to us, but before that who help us? Our neighbor only takes help, gives us whatever we want. If we are not having eat for eating food, they only give some of the food of them. मनी नहीं है तो कौन देगा? अपना रिलेटिव्स आके देंगे? No, our neighbor only help us each and everything. Okay, due to the help we give each other, our relations with our neighbors become friendly. So we should be friendly with our neighbor. झगड़ा नहीं करना है, ये तुम्हारा कपड़ा इधर क्यों है, ये तुम्हारी चप्पल मेरे घर के सामने क्यों है. Don't fight with them. Okay, friendly and harmonious relations make our joyful community life. Joyful community life. This was our chapter, children, what we have learned today. The number of people in a family does not remain the same. It changes. How comes? Sometimes it becomes decreases, sometimes it gets increases. The number of people in a family may changes due to the marriage, birth, death, and migration purposes. It has been changed. Okay. As we migrate, as we go from one place to another, we see the diversity country. We see the diversity in our country. We get to see the variety in festival also, item also, costumes also, and traditions also. Just as our family changes, so do the other families in our neighborhood. Because of the help of we offered each other, our relations with our neighbors become friendly. Why we should be friendly with our others, with our neighbors? Because they are only persons who help us. Who help us? They only come first. वही भाग के पहले आएंगे. Friendly and harmonious relation makes for joyful community life. This was our chapter. I hope everyone understood the chapter clearly.
Our neighbors. We live in the same locality. We need each other's help to solve problems of garbage, security, water, and electricity. In time of need, it is our neighbors who help us till our relatives can reach us. Due to the help we give each other, our relations with our neighbors become friendly. Friendly and harmonious relations make for joyful community life. What we have learned? The number of people in a family does not remain the same. The number of people in a family may change due to marriage, birth, death, and migration. As we migrate, we see the diversity in our country. We get to see the variety in festivals, food items, customs, and traditions. Just as our family changes, so do the other families in our neighborhood. Because of the help we offer each other, our relations with our neighbors become friendly. Friendly and harmonious relations make for joyful community life.
Understood, children?